In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your goal weight on MacroFactor. Now first, you want to go to Strategy tab at the bottom right. So when you tap on this, there we go, you want to scroll down and here you can see weight gain goal. Now for me, it's gain. Of course, for you, it may be loss or maintenance, whatever. You can simply tap on Edit Goal here in the middle and then tap on Edit Goal Parameters at the bottom. Now from here, you can use the slider up top to adjust your target weight, okay? So for example, over here, I'm going to go to, let's just do like 94 right now. And depending on if you're trying to lose weight or gain weight, of course, you'll be able to go towards the upside or towards the downside, depending on what your goal is, of course. Then simply tap on Next at the bottom. And from here, you can see the summary, tap on Done yet again. And of course, you could go ahead and set a new program as well. There we go. And then you'll see that your goal weight has been changed inside MacroFactor. Over here, as you can see, my goal weight is now 95 kilos. Now that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.